The Messages tab is where you will schedule overhead messaging on your devices and also upload messages if you create your own message files. Use the Upload Messages button where you can browse, select, and add your own messages. The name needs to be unique. You cannot have two messages with the same name. Once you are done, click Start Upload. The play button for the new messages should appear in 5 to 10 minutes, as it takes a moment for the audio to be processed by the server. But you can schedule your messages before this happens. The second tab shows Groups. You can use groups to organize your locations. If you want to schedule messages for all your locations, you can create an All Locations group. You can have subgroups of devices geographically grouped or based upon what is sold in those locations. To view a message schedule, click on the group name. We're currently looking at the schedule assigned to all Mood cafes. You now see a calendar view which shows a summary of each hour and how many messages are scheduled to play in that hour. Click on an hour block to see details. When messages play back, the timing will be approximate. If you have a message scheduled at 5:05 and the song playing doesn't end until 5:07, that is when your message will play. From this screen, you can edit existing message scheduling. Click the pencil icon to make changes to message timing and dates. To add a new message, use the Message Roster schedule on the right. To add it to the schedule, use the plus icon. The plus icon denotes a message that is not currently scheduled to play, compared to the pencil icon, which denotes an already scheduled message. Click Save, and the calendar will update to show that you have modified your schedule. To remove a message, click the trash icon. In the case of adding an additional device to a group, you can click Copy Schedules to Zones and add the device, or copy it to other groups and select that group. You should be aware that if you have a device assigned to a group and you also schedule messages on that device individually or via another group, the device will get a combined schedule of all the groups the device is a member of. When you complete your schedule, you can close it and go on to other devices or groups. There's a great deal of flexibility built into the system. Let's say you have some locations that sell different products than others. You can have their devices set to the All Locations group and also have their devices get another set of specialized messages as well. Remember, in order to see the group schedule, you need to look on the Group tab. The individual device page will only show the messages assigned to that device and the group the device is a member of. Once you are done making changes, publish your changes and then the network devices will update. If your device gets disk updates, a disk will be created and sent.